About a month ago, Elon Musk asked if Tesla should accept Dogecoin for payments. And recently, Elon Musk just changed his name to Elon Musk II. Some people are speculating that on the 2nd of July, Tesla is going to come out and announce that they want to accept Dogecoin for payments. In this video, we're going to be talking about Elon Musk's potential future tweets. We're going to be taking a further look into Dogecoin and the crypto market. So I was scrolling through Twitter and I seen a YouTuber. He's actually a pretty big YouTuber. He's a Bitcoin YouTuber and he talks about Bitcoin each and every day. He's been around a long time and has been calling out Bitcoin when it was pennies, telling people to buy Bitcoin when it was pennies. And now look where Bitcoin is. But the funny thing is, I go on to see this tweet by him and he says it will be hard to believe, but Dogecoin may go to the moon one day. It's pretty interesting to see a very strong Bitcoin, maybe maximalist or a Bitcoin YouTuber. And you know, Bitcoin YouTubers, they don't really like to talk about Dogecoin. Bitcoin people, they don't really like Dogecoin too much. But for him to come out and say that he thinks it's going to the moon is definitely very interesting to see. Question is, why would he say that? Let me know in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, my name is Myles and every day I make videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. I give you guys the latest and greatest news. I watch the charts all day. This is what I do for a living to keep you guys informed. And I also teach you how to do technical analysis. So if you want to learn how to make a lot of money in cryptocurrencies and stay up to date, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time-sensitive videos. And also let me know in the comments below, when do you think Tesla is going to accept Dogecoin? And if you don't think Tesla is going to accept Dogecoin, let me know your comments about that. So somebody also sent this to me. The world's first Dogecoin Cruise will sail in the spring of 2022. This is awesome. There are theme cruises for a wide range of tastes, but it goes on even to say that it's going to be a 4-party night event. It will be departing out of Miami from the Celebrity Summit, one of their cruise lines. And there's going to be a bunch of parties. They're going to be going through the Bahamas. The prices are going to start about $800 a person. There's going to be crypto one-on-one seminars, a Doge bar crawl in Key West, a beach party in Nassau, blackjack tournaments, singles parties, and more. Are you guys going to be going to this cruise? Because if Dogecoin really takes off, which I believe it will, I most likely will be there, and it would be great to see you all there. Let's see if we can get all of the other Dogecoin YouTubers and the big Dogecoin community to make this event. It would be awesome. First and foremost, let's go ahead and dive into the coin market cap, where we can take a look at the overall crypto market, see what it's kind of doing. Because yesterday we did have a sell-off, and it's Friday. A lot of Fridays there are option contracts and futures contracts that expire, and it causes the prices to be pushed down, or the prices can go up on those Fridays. But the bears were in control of the market yesterday, so that's why we saw a bit of a sell-off. But that just provides the people that are in the market for long term, that, you know, me and you, we might be in the market for long term, or if you're just in the market for a couple of months, it provides really good buying opportunities to see Ethereum go down to about 2,000, was 2,100 to be specific. Dogecoin go down to about 28 cents. A lot of these cryptos, especially Dogecoin, yeah, Dogecoin was at 30 cents, it went to 28 cents. But 28 cents to 31 cents is significant gain. It's almost 10%, give or take. Maybe 31 cents from that level will be a 10% gain. So buying these cryptos when they are super cheap, when they're at a major discount, you can make some pretty big profits, especially in the months to come when we will see the crypto market take off. But taking an overlook, you know, we're seeing pretty much all the cryptos in the red, nothing major. Dogecoin in a week is down 8%, Cardano down 6%, Ethereum down 8%. So we're kind of like hanging with Ethereum. Today we're down about 0.80%, and Ethereum's down about 1.5% or so. And let's take a look at the trading volume is significantly down 44%. It's just a slow weekend. June is a very slow month for cryptos historically. Each and every June is historically slow. The summer months are slow. You know, in the stock market, there's an old saying, it says stay away in May, because May, June, that's kind of when the money is slow, the movement of money is slow. People are vacationing, people are kind of just relaxing. And once July starts to take off, July, August, September, those are going to be some very bullish months, especially after a big correction, a long correction too. Whenever there's long corrections, there's going to be long bull runs. There will be very long bull runs, and they will get very high. Most importantly, let's get back to the topic of Elon Musk and his tweeting, So why hasn't Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin for a while? That's a really good question. Why do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But my speculation is Elon Musk is not tweeting for a while because I think, he was tweeting a lot, right? He was tweeting a lot. And one of the last tweets he sent about Dogecoin was really good, but it actually brought the crypto market down. So the thing is, I think Elon Musk is strategically allowing the suspense to build. He wants people to kind of, forget about him a little bit, but he also wants to stop tweeting so that his words become more powerful. When somebody speaks less, their words are powerful. When you have a person, they speak a billion words, they're constantly speaking, all of their words, there's so many words, they're not very powerful. But when you have a person, just for an example, to further drill it in, you have a person, they only speak a sentence a year. Everything that person says is going to be very powerful. Their words are going to have more of a significance, like, wow, he only chooses to use these 5 words in a period of a year. So, and it's kind of an extreme case, but if you understand the case of Elon Musk, he was tweeting about Doge a lot, and his tweets weren't really effective. They started to kind of wane in their power, but that also had a lot to do with the bearish market that we kind of entered into for a short period of time. So what I'm thinking is that he's building up the suspense, the anticipation, and I think he's also waiting for the market to take off here pretty soon. Once the market starts to take off, it starts to turn bullish and very strong, and things start to pump up. Then once he sends a tweet, that will bring Dogecoin to the moon. So getting in at these cheap prices, we are at a major discount. When Elon Musk tweets, the next time he tweets and we're in a bull run and the things are really taking off, cryptos are really taking off, we could see gains of 30 to 50% on a single tweet. That could send us to the moon in a continual FOMO buy-in, which could really bring Dogecoin to very high heights. And if you want to get my daily profitable trade signals to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you want to talk to me on the phone, we can build you a portfolio, join the 4,000 member Discord, or I can teach you technical analysis, join the Patreon, which is linked in my video description below. And if you haven't done so already, use my WEBULL link, which is also in the description below. If you deposit $100 using my link, they're giving people 4 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell. It's free money. See how much money you can get from it, or it's a really good platform if you want to use it to buy cryptos and stocks with it. Most importantly, let's go ahead and take a look at the crypto market. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts, especially Dogecoin, and what we are seeing. So a continued update. I am at the 15-minute time frame because there is not much time since we've been in this area. So we saw the initial bottom about 28 cents to be specific, 27.9, and then we came up, and then we have been kind of bouncing, but the lows are continually getting higher, and we have seen some highs, but the next highs are not getting higher, which is totally fine. It is still a very bullish pattern because the lows are getting higher and higher and higher, and they're coming up to this level of resistance, which is about 29 cents. So we're having difficulty breaking the 30-cent level just in this immediate short term. It's not going to take us much to get back up to here. Once we do break the 30-cent level, it would be consistent to see a little bit of a pump, because generally whenever you break past a resistance, it signals a lot of traders and investors to buy. Which can cause a little bit of a run, probably to 31 to 34 cents. So those are the levels that I'm looking at if we can break out of here. Just do expect a lot of volatility in the next week or so until the month is over, towards the end of the month, because there's a lot of futures contracts. There's a lot of people shorting Dogecoin. There's a lot of people shorting Ethereum and Bitcoin, which is keeping and suppressing the crypto market. And we're also having, fake news, false fear. We're having that news that came out recently with the Fed about the interest rates and inflation. So that's kind of suppressing the stock market and the crypto market. So there's going to be some volatility here in the next week or so until the end of the month. But it all depends on, what the government is talking about as well. But if all goes well towards the end of the month, I believe, in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, but my opinion, by the end of the month, we should start to see some green. And I'm thinking July is going to be the bullish month where we can start to break out of these resistance levels. And especially for Dogecoin, I'm thinking July we could definitely get into the 40 and the 50s, the 40 and 50 cent range for Dogecoin. Ethereum, I'm definitely expecting to get up to 3,000 to 3,500. Bitcoin, it would be probably consistent to see Bitcoin between 45,000 and 50,000. So we have a lot of cryptos to take a look at, and some other cryptos to take a look at to put on your watch list. You want to take a look at Theta, Solana. Those are really good projects. Those things are really taking off, and they're really holding up strong even in this bearish market. And some of these cryptos I announced in the Patreon to give you guys good ideas, give you guys buy alerts so that you can make money even when the market is down, and also to get in before these things really take off, because like I said, we're at a huge discount. This is when you want to buy. You don't want to be buying when you're at the top. You want to be buying here. But even buying at the top sometimes can be very profitable. And if you guys want to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use the I Trust Capital link, which is also my video's description. And if you got something out of today's video, please give me a like, share this video with some of your friends and family, subscribe if you have not done so already, and tune in. Make sure you tune into my Instagram story where I will be announcing the Dogecoin winner tonight, the 200 Doge. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great weekend, a great Father's Day, and I will see you tomorrow.